Welcome to my favorite lesson in the entire workshop. And the reason being is I have the highest success rate for not only myself, but for people that take this workshop in this section right here. And I'll share with you why that is. So we're going to talk about achieving one-time success factors. So at this point, we've established all of our roles. We've established the goals for those roles. And then as we got into the workshop, we broke down success factors, or basically a map of how we back into those goals being achieved for each role. And those success factors have now been broken out in one of two ways. They're either a ongoing, which will require a habit, and we'll talk about that in the next lesson, or they're one-time success factors. And by the end of this lesson, I'll show you how the easiest way you can accomplish full achievement of all your one-time success factors. So this is very easy. The process is this simple. Select a one-time success factor. Go to your calendar. Whether you're a person that's got a calendar hanging on the wall, like my wife likes to do, or you have an Outlook or an electronic calendar or some kind of calendar in your email, whatever it is, go to your calendar, select a reasonable date in which to put that success factor for completion on your calendar. So if there's something that I'm going to need some time on this, don't procrastinate too long. A lot of times you can just say, I'm going to have them done in the next week. I'm going to have all of my one-time success factors done in the next week. Just get them on your calendar. I will have it completed by X. And just make a concerted effort to knock it out. You don't have to be that aggressive, but pick a reasonable date on your calendar and start going in your calendar and say complete, and then write the one-time success factor that you need to complete. The more often you do this, the more success you'll have. Don't procrastinate. Don't give yourself a pass and say, well, I'll get to it later. Go right now. Push pause and go put your one-time success factors on your calendar that I will complete by, I will complete by, I will complete by, and get them on the calendar for that specific date. Don't let the date slip. If you do miss, none of us are robots here. If you miss, don't let yourself miss a second time. So if you miss, take that calendar item, either rewrite it or electronically just drag and drop to the next reasonable date, and make sure you don't miss again. And I will tell you, an accountability partner is very helpful here if you're worried you're going to slip again. And spouses are awesome accountability partners, especially if they're involved in it. I used an example of the family vacation. Get your spouse involved in that family vacation, any of the one-time success factors there. They're going to make sure you don't miss more than once. And they're great at keeping you honest and accountable on that. But if you'll keep yourself honest that yes, things happen, things come up, and maybe something slips. Don't let it slip a second time. If it does go to slip a second time, just stop what you're doing and do it right then. Do everything you can to make sure it gets done right then so that you don't move it to a third location on your calendar. If you will be just adamantly vigilant with this step, you will get all of your one-time success factors. You'll achieve 100% success rate on getting all your success factors that are one-time marked completed. So, in conclusion, if you're diligent with the process, 100% effectiveness. I can't do better than that. You can't do better than that. So follow this process and get it on your calendar right now. So your action item, go get all of your one-time success factors, all of them, and get them on your calendar with due dates for completion. If you'll do that, your chances for success with all of your goals goes up substantially.